Hello, this is Ching, and again today is September 19th, 2020. I'm always try to video on a Saturday and when I don't have to run to work. And so today we do two videos here, and one for Tuesday, one for Thursday. So Thursday is for Qigong, so you will see this on Thursday or Wednesday night when I'm uploading. So anyway, we're gonna review the fundamental stance of Qigong. There are two parts, right? You just learned that. We're gonna apply into the Qigong practice. So it's pretty much like you're learning the ABC, you're learning the 7 notes, how to play the piano. There's a lot of warm-up exercise with your hands, right? So once you know that, then you start playing music, right? You never play Beethoven the first day. It's gonna take years before you get that. We always understand that, but when it comes to exercise, somehow we jump to the advanced level without any fundamental. So, sorry. So there are 8 stands of the fundamental. Okay. So that I have developed, starting with the COVID-19 when the lockdown. So I was home teaching with a GoToMeeting and beautiful spring weather. So I did a lot of work in my own yard to practice. And I'm a choreographer when I was dancing. So love to choreograph things, making things together. So this the No Fear, Heights of Wellness where I work. Heights of Wellness, No Fear Qigong. Inspire, should not say inspired, but it is inspired because it doesn't feel good when you're a victim. I feel like everybody's so scared about things might happen. It might not happen, but because all the things unknown makes you a little scared. So come down to it, the best antidote, the best vaccine is your immune system. Your immune system is involved your mindset, okay? So you all know depression, stress, negativity, fear, all this creates what? Weakness of your immune system. So I'm going to show you again. I might also put an end cut how it will look like if you start practice in the different direction. So, and I had done it once already in my yard. It's beautiful. So you can see that. About today, I'm just facing you. Do the same thing, right side, left side, always both sides, so it's even. So it's not a sports, right? So here we go. Qigong is wellness Qigong for health. So you're gonna try to figure out what position you have of the leg, right? When we learn 8 of them. So also when you do Qigong, the most important part of the Qigong, which is kind of missing out there too, is the spine movement. If you study with Dr. Yang Zhiming, you have it. If not, some people do too. But there's a lot of important things, we call it inside story, that you have to move the spine. So your body is kind of like a wave and a spiral. And now, so I can also do the other way. It's not easy because we don't do it, right? We move like what? A robot. And we are not a robot. Our muscle rotates, spiral. It looks so good and feels so good. But it's not easy to learn. Well, I hope you like to learn something that's challenge. Okay, here we go. Engage your abdominal. I'm gonna do this. Can you see that? So the energy from your leg, direct from your pelvis, through the spine, manifesting out the arm. So there's a saying throughout this, so you can keep talking to yourself. Nice and tall. Here's No Fear Qigong from Heights Wellness. And give the negativity and fear to the Mother Earth. Sitting on the cross leg. Push down, getting up, and the Mother Earth will convert that into a positive growth. With the positive growth, stay balanced. You can put your feet down, so that's false stance. If I pick it up, that's golden rooster. So I'm balanced on the right leg. That's what my mind's going to, not this one. Without that, I will fall. So don't just start picking up. You want to feel rooted down. Okay, so with the positive growth, you become mature. With the maturity, going to the left side, you can stay down. You develop understanding. If you say, I'm better now, and you just keep pushing down, get that understanding. With the understanding, you create your life. See, I'm hollow my tummy. I get real nice core work. Open the spine. With understanding, you create your life. Since you're the creator of your life, you're the master of your life. So squat stance, left side. Give the negativity and fear to Mother Earth. Mother Earth will convert that into a positive growth. Keep rooted down. And with the positive growth, left leg balance, you become mature. I keep pushing down, so free on my spine. I get a little bit thoracic spine extension, the ankle relax. With maturity, and you will develop the understanding, understanding. With the understanding, you start creating your life. Since you're the creator of your life, you are the master of your life. Again, Mother Earth, much stronger, much powerful, infinite. You can't even measure, because if you feel like a tree, right? Mother Earth is going to provide all the nutrients for you. And the Mother Earth, through the years, millions of years, they give out all the natural wealth, right? And going, so this become mature. With the maturity, you develop understanding. So I'm in Connecticut, as I mentioned many times. So the tree gonna go through spring, summer, fall, winter. They understand, right? Life is change. And since you're creator of your life, you're the master of your life. So the tree says, it's okay, winter is coming. And fall is here. I'm turning beautiful red, yellow leaves. And from there, I'm dropping them. And so in the winter, the snowfall are not very heavy. And it's easy to shedding all the snow off. And inhale, exhale, spring's coming around the corner. I understand it's only the season change. Right? You go inhale, exhale, be strong. No fear. It's not easy to do because you need to acquire knowledge. And build strength. And go. I'm going to do that one more time. Give the negativity and fear to the Mother Earth. Mother Earth says it's okay. See how many million years I'm here. I'm going to teach you how to be strong. And okay, I'm ready to learn. I'm open. If you open, you create maturity. Through the maturity, strong knowledge comes in. You have understanding. Right? You don't get angry and fight in a way to hurt yourself. Since then you create your life, and life is in front of you. And since you're the creator of your life, you're the master of your life. Left side, give the negativity and fear to the Mother Earth. Mother Earth, convert all that into a positive growth. Look up to the sky, and with the positive growth, you become mature. And with the maturity, you will develop the understanding. And with the understanding, you create your life. Since you're the creator of your life, you're the master of your life. And you just step in and return. Nice and tall. So that's the basic, not changing direction, no orientation changing. Just practice right side, left side, right side, left side. So you are nice and even, right? So we're not repetitive doing the same side all the time. And very important, the Qigong and Tai Chi Chuan is teaching the way of life. You apply everything into your life. So you have a positive mind. When you don't understanding things, you get a little nervous, you sometimes get a little angry because why is not my way, right? No, why should be your way all the time, right? So you start understanding, oh, many things can be different ways, right? We're joking about, so with my clients, say, you have broccoli, and make sure you eat according to the season and how many ways you can make broccoli, right? You don't just eat one way and one way, but that's okay if that's what you like. But it's always nice to, right? When I first got married, I know I can cook maybe 5 different dishes. I'm like, oh my God, there's a lot of days I have to work. So thank God there's a recipe book. You know, when you get married, well, everybody sends you a recipe book in a wedding shower. And if you don't open them, you don't learn. But these days, there's so many opportunity to learn from the internet, television, books, friends, right? Getting together, say, oh my God, I tried something good. Open your mind. If it's good, say, oh, why is so good? I say, I think I would like that too. And I'm going to try to make it too. Can you give me the recipe? So exercise also recipe, right? Many of them. So you have a nice, well-rounded kind of library in here. Okay, so you have choices. Winter's come, so sometimes the weather is going to be really hard. How can I do cardio inside? Okay, how can I lift my spirit up? Because people already scare you in here, right? Say, not enough vitamin D, not sun, you're going to get depressed. How can not to be depressed, right? Don't put me down there. Yes, I wake it up, but I need to do how to fix it. So, okay? So that's it for today. I'm going to put an end card for you. You can see the whole thing done in the different direction. We keep changing, right? And to the west and come back. And you start left side. You go to the west. You go to the south. You go to the east. Come back to the north again. So why? Your view change, but movement same. So if you have strong core, you can apply to all the different seasons, right? Different situation, and you'll be so proud of yourself. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next week. Take good care and be well.